Hi friends, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of too many attempts. Try again later on the application of ChatGPT. We click on settings. In this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this page you will search about ChatGPT and here ChatGPT as you see, and we click. In this page of app info we click on first stop and we click OK. Here you will enter to storage, then we click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by